Hi, I'm Mrs. Volts from Morris Knowles. I want to go over how to get to the College Board's AP exam digital testing app for both the exam and the practice. So the first thing you want to do to make sure it's set up customized to you is to go to your College Board account online, myap.collegeboard.org, and log in using your standard College Board credentials. Here we go. And that will take you to your AP exam pages. I am going to show you AP CSA. That's one of the classes that I teach. And so to explore, I'm going to send you over to Digital Exam Readiness. And when that opens up, what you want to do is click on this yellow button, Take Digital Practice. I've already done this and I clicked on Take Digital Practice, and then that will load that specific subject exam into the app on your Chromebook. Now, assuming that your IT department has already loaded the app to your Chromebook, you need to close out of the Chromebook completely. So I'm going to go down here in the corner where the power bar button is and sign out of the Chromebook in order to actually access the app. Now it's gone dark, but it will come back in a second. And when it does, do not sign back in. Go down here, wait for the app kiosk to pop up, and then you should see a list of apps that you have to choose from. When I first did this, my digital AP exam app actually had a really long URL that did not have anything to do with college. Well, I couldn't see College Board or AP exam in it, and I didn't even think of it. I tried all these other testing websites or apps. They did not work. Those were not the correct ones. So the very last one at the bottom was a big URL. I clicked on it. Turns out once I did that, oh, there's the URL. It actually finished the install, and then I got to my 2021 digital AP exam app. Since I had already gone to the My AP and clicked that yellow button, when I log into this, I will see the specific, I don't have any digital AP exams because I'm not registered, I'm a teacher, but under practice, I will have the digital practice for APCSA and the demo for APCSA. The digital practice is a little longer of a test and the demo is a much shorter one. I recommend that you try these out to get practice using the app, and that should be what you need to get started.